Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got a couple TMG volunteers heading out to our guys at Over the Fire BBQ in Phoenix, Arizona. Now, they pretty much always have at least one TMG pit in stock, ready to rock. These two will be for sale. Actually, they got another caster model too, so I have three. But look them up, Over the Fire BBQ Supply, Phoenix, Arizona. Give them a call and say, hey, I want one of those badass TMG pits. Now, they also got some of our accessories in stock. They got some charcoal chimneys, lifetime warranty on those bad boys, some burger presses, etc., etc. Now, let's check out these volunteers real quick. This is a big ass smoker, guys. All right, that's all there is to it. 52 inches on the main chamber, 27 inches deep. We got bottom and top sliding trays, complimentary fire poker, tell-true thermometers, 1/4 inch thick main chamber, 3/8 thick firebox. This one's on the off-road package, got the upgraded wheels and tires, of course, D-ring tie downs on all four corners, fold down smokestack. I mean, hey, the list just goes on and on, so y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, call TMG. If you want to pick one up ready to go, call Over the Fire BBQ.